What's going on? It's Anthony from S2K and theant.com, and today I'm showing you how to remove the side mirrors, side rearview mirrors off of a Lexus LS430. Prior to removing the mirrors, make sure you take off the door panel, the front door panel. And if you don't know how to do that, please watch one of my previous videos where I go through the steps of taking this door panel off. So once you have this door panel off, it'll look like this pretty much. The mirror is right here, hidden under the cover. The bolts are hidden on this cover. Don't forget to extend your mirror out all the way. I mean, you can do it folded, but I guess it's easier to do extended. And then just first things first is there's a plastic clip right here. You gotta pull that out. And then for that, I'm using my handy clip popper tool. You can use a screwdriver, but this just makes it easier for me. And it comes out just like that. Then you'll be left with this clip. And then you kind of just loosen this a little bit, just pull it out. And the mirror is held on by 3 10mm bolts. And the harness is connected into this computer thing. It's the very last plug. All you gotta do is just pull it out like so, and then snake it through to pull it off. But all you gotta do is move these 3 10mm bolts, and then the mirror will come off. And of course, don't forget to hold the mirror while you take off the last bolt, or else the mirror will just fall down. And just like that, the mirror is off. I just have to disconnect this harness, but I'm just changing a small thing so I don't have to take it off all the way. So that is how you take off a rear side view mirror on a Lexus LS430. Please subscribe if you like this content. Thanks.